Still talking. Listen carefully, boys and girls.
Hi kids, this little boy loves this llama. I'm going to take you to the country fair to see and hear some awesome llamas.
Hey there, how are you? Huh? How are you? Huh? You coming to see me? You want to say hello to the boys and girls? Huh? And tell them you're at the country fair? Here's Mr. Wonderful. Oh, you're rubbing your... Oh, you're not Mr. Wonderful? Oh, you sure do look wonderful. Oh my goodness. You are quite a llama. A beautiful llama. Look at that, boys and girls. Look at its legs. Hi. Hi. Another big one, boys and girls. Oh, and it's talking too. You hear it? Huh? What'd you say? This one's talking. That's it, yes. Still talking. Listen carefully, boys and girls. Baby, it's 7 months old. Baby llama. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Come and say hello to the boys and girls. You're a baby, yes you are. You're a baby, 7 months old. This might be her baby. You are. Are you telling the boys and girls to come to the country fair? Your baby's sitting down too.
Guess what? No way I got this. He's gonna play a thing.
These two boys and girls, 2 more llamas. Look at this. Hey, hi. These two busy eating. Let's have a little talk with this one. Hi there. Hi there, cutie. And the other one pops up. Ooh, you've got a nice looking face. White around your eyes. And this one has dark around its eyes. Whoa, up and down you go. Mr. Llama? Hi! Oh, you want to smell me? You want to smell the kids? Oh, I smelled you. I felt your breath. I felt your breath. Yes, I did. Let's see what you look like. Pretty. You've got straw all over on different parts because you've been laying down the straw. Say hello to the boys and girls. Oh, you're so sweet. You are so sweet. You want me to remove that straw from your eye? Hey there. How you doing? Look at this one over here. Yeah, look at his tail. Look at that tail. Boy, these llamas are really groomed well, aren't they, boys and girls? Beautiful. There. You want to say something to the boys and girls? Look at you. Look at you. Another back and forth guy. Look at that tail, boys and girls. Let's put her down there. Whoa. Look at this side, boys and girls. We're going to go the other side, and you're going to see spots there. Look at that. Spots on the other side of this llama's body. Every llama is unique and different, just like all people. You boys and girls are unique and different. And special too. Boy, you're a big guy too. Look at that, boys and girls. Look at him. Hi. Hi there. I like the glittering from your little nose piece. Yes, I do. I like it. Ooh, look at those teeth. Yes. Chopping away. Yes. Still talking. Huh, Mama? Huh? You still talking? You talking to your baby? No, you're talking to me, aren't you? You're talking to me. There's his mama. Baby boys and girls. Eating. There's her mama. You eating? Here. There's the baby. Listen, boys and girls. It's 3 colors. It's a light color right there, like a tan, and then you have the dark brown and then the white. Here's a mom and her baby. Mom and baby llama. Yes. Yes, a mom and her baby. Side of mama and baby. This one is 6 months old, rolling around the straw, or was rolling around the straw. In the sun trying to dry off, boys and girls.